All right, these are the Garrett Treasure Sound headphones. They're super lightweight, made of plastic. We've got some padded earpieces on here on both sides of it. There's flexibility and movement in here, which I like. And they are also adjustable on both sides. We've got a left side and a right side, clearly marked. Someone with a big head and wearing a hat like me can get these over the hat and under the ears, no problem. They aren't noise canceling, so I can still hear what's going on around me, and I actually want that. It's a 1/4-inch jack, typical headphone jack. They just plug right into the back of your machine and you're good to go. Another cool feature about this is that there's also a volume control right here on the side of it, and it tells you which way to go. Obviously, more volume down, less volume up. And another thing I really like about these headphones is that the cable length is 6 foot long. I've got it completely undone right here and no problem whatsoever with this cable maxing out on me or getting caught up on anything. If it's too long for you, you could do something. You could coil it up and put a twist tie on there, however you want to do it. You could shorten this yourself. But I like using a long length on here because I'm tall and I usually have this metal detector maxed all the way out to its full length. They're super lightweight. They're super comfortable. I can still hear what's going on around me and they work great.